Hello, it's me, Snowy Owl. I am doing a voiceover this time because I totally forgot that my phone cannot record your voice. So, you can't do calls or anything on it. It's annoying, okay? And it certainly doesn't pay off in this video. If you want to make me do voiceovers, regularly on the channel, for this YouTube channel, which is my second one, leave a like, and if you don't, then just leave a dislike. Honestly, it's up to you, viewers. It takes longer for me to do voiceovers, but, So, my bro, which I wouldn't say on the left or right, I would say with the stay shirt, not taller than me, shorter than me. That's my bro. And if you checked out my other channel, Snowy Owl, link in the descriptions, you will see, that he, I called him bro, and we didn't have another name to really call him, but he's Barn Owl now. He's the Barn Owl. We didn't even know if he was going to be a YouTuber back then. And is this part that I like coming up? Let's see. I edited this part so well, when I get onto the couch, that I kind of loved it. No joke. I edit it a lot, slow motion, just the right speed to make it look so OP. But yeah, my bro Barn Owl. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that if you don't find that cool, I don't know what you find cool. But I don't understand why amethyst geodes are so rare. Yeah, I have some favorite YouTubers, and I'll list them right now. We got Mr. Pants. Well, he's kind of like my ultimate one. Actually, not really. I have a lot of favorites, but yeah. If you've seen my other channel, I forgot to put the link in the description, but this one, I promise you, I will. Okay? And then my other ones would be SB737. I'm not putting their link in the description because he's making money already. He doesn't need it, but Mr. Pants only got 2 subs, so, sending some of my people to watch his videos. And I got 1 sub on this channel, which is my other, which is, I don't know, but I already got 1 sub. And I haven't posted a video, but I'm the one who subbed. Oh yeah, Snowy Owl subbed to this channel. Yeah, I subbed to it with Snowy Owl, which is kind of broken, but hey, I'm taking it. My other one is Paul GG. No link in the description. He's already making money. You can complain all you want. Just search it up, okay? And yeah, and X Nestorio. Just search it up on the page. No link in the description. So Mr. Pants is only going to be the link in the description. Oh, and my other channel, Snowy Owl. Wait, did I already mention I'll put that in the description? Well, if I did, then no. Okay, now we're starting the world. I'm doing this voiceover. Sorry you can't hear my bro's voice. It's, just because he's at his piano lessons. So, I can't do it right now. So, yeah. And most of the time, I'm going to be fidgety. I'm always fidgety. It takes so long to build terrain. It's kind of annoying. You know what? I'm just here sitting for this video, doing a voiceover, saying kind of my thoughts back then, because I just made this video yesterday. Well, I made the video yesterday, and I'm just doing the voiceover the day. Well, am I going to post it today? Well, whatever. So, let's see. I'm in the world. Let's see what I do. Oh, my bro joins in. barn owl. He's using my account right now because we honestly don't really have an account for him. But pretty much, but we will. We did give him one, like kind of after this video was already made. I just realized Barn Owl takes this stuff so slowly. He knows he can just press Y. Okay, there we go. He's finally taking it like a person would when he's raiding a chest. Now I'm gonna need to make sure, like, watch this video, get my mom to watch it or something. Me and my bro just play Minecraft, but we punch each other and kill each other a lot. So, yeah, but be kind, okay? Okay, be kind. It's just a video game. That's what we do it on. Right? It's just, you know, that kind of stuff. I don't know. Okay, so my bro, of course, is right behind me. I'm obviously looting it first. Oh yeah, he's complaining to me that he wants stuff. So I said, you can have the fire charges back then. Yeah, and I'm like, calm down. You can have the fire charges. And they're only useful to light nether portals, so they're useless. And I got the useful thing, which is flint and steel, which can light anything! 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 Okay, you know what? I'm grabbing carrots. My bro's just mining that. And I tried to echo it, but I don't think I'm good at doing that. Oh yeah, now I'm getting up to turn the volume on because I think, you know, you can hear it. But obviously I can't. So my bro, let's see what Barn Owl's doing. It's hard doing a voiceover for two people because it's hard to keep an eye on two screens. Because normally when I play Minecraft, I just look at my screen. And look how rude my bro was. He just punched me. Don't be rude, okay? Say your manners. I forget mine, okay? My bro, look, you're getting 3 diamonds out of that chest, okay? And I specifically told him once he got that, like right now, I'm telling him, if you could hear this, I was telling him to save those diamonds so he can make a pickaxe, to mine obsidian, to build a portal. But guess what he does? I don't know when he does it. I don't know when, but somewhere while we're playing, I realized something. And honestly, I'm just gonna tell you at the part I realized, so it's kind of a surprise. Look, that's my bro's bed. He took it from me. Okay, it's just Minecraft stuff. He didn't mean to. It's just Minecraft stuff. And be kind, okay? Be kind. Okay, here. Be kind. You know, be as a bee. And then kind. Be kind. You know what? I'm just trying to joke there. I kind of got all the garbage loot. And then it's so hilarious. You'll see what I do with that snowball later on. I'm still laughing on what I did with that snowball. It's that funny, honestly. Now this is my bro's attempt to kill the iron golem. Now this is my attempt to kill the iron golem, which obviously failed. And I'm just going to teleport to him because I don't feel like walking all the way there. I'm just going to go /teleport. Come on. Ooh. Roganator 101. Where? Roganator 101 /1/ I don't even know if it's / I don't know. Now my bro is being hunted by an iron golem. I want to kill you for punching me. I want to kill you for punching a villager. No, this is my attempt. Because, you see, I see that he doesn't hurt you. But now when you punch him enough, it's literally going at you. So that's kind of a problem now. Now my bro got the guy, Iron Golem. And now, of course, I die. And now I teleport. And this is all an attempt to speedrun. Actually, it's not, because there's no timer. And I would be terrible speedrunning. But we tried to. And we turned on cheats. So that's obviously bad. Right? Right? Isn't that bad? Okay, I'm going back to the village. My bro's going back to the village, and he's going to annoy me because he's going to teleport him to me, and I'm going to lose. And it gets annoying. And I wish I never allowed him operator. A while back, I said all people are operators. Right? Oh, it would have been such a troll if I made him a visitor. That would be hilarious. Now, second attempt. I push him. Now I climb up. And I punch him. And you can see now that he actually is glitched. He is actually glitching. You can physically see that. Like, he's glitching. See, like, he follows me around, but he's stiff. He's like, I got a clamp. I'm frozen. Or something like that. It's like, I'm in an ice block. Save me, please. Yeah. Look at my bro. He has this weird glitch. Like, sometimes on my bedrock, my Xbox, it has this weird glitch on it. Wait, why does my name tag say Roganator 101? It's meant to say Snowy Owl, but you know what? It doesn't matter. It's just a gamer tag. I used to be annual pair something, and I hated it, so I changed it, and now I'm better. Oh, I think that's just when I play. No, it should be. Well, look at his glitch, see? See how he's a floating dude with an axe in the middle of his body? That kind of happens sometimes. And look, I'm like, do you take damage? So look, this is my little experiment. I said, stand on that block. No. And now I lit it on fire. And now he goes in there. And now, look, I take it off. Now I go to my snowball to try to hit him with it to put out the fire. But now he does it, and I toss him at him anyway by accident, and he takes damage. Snowballs in Java don't take damage. Dude, you gotta get to work on this. Snowballs can be the best weapon, if you ask me. I don't know how to do that. Let's see. So I'm running off somewhere. My bro is running off somewhere. So when... Oh, I'm going to a new village. My bro is going... Where is my bro going? Oh, no. This is when he gets so annoying. Look, he goes teleport. Oh, no, he actually teleports himself to me. Yeah. I forgot about this part. Look. Right? He failed. So I'm just going to the village. My bro, I don't really know what he's doing. Honestly. This is what happens when I'm missing a person to do a voiceover. I don't even know what's going on in his head. So if I continue to do voiceovers on this channel, I'll make sure my bro is in with it. Oh yeah, you see he teleports me to him, and now I get mad. We start fighting, and I'm like, calm down, please. I don't want to die, please. Calm down, dude. Like, that's kind of me. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm like, calm down, please. Dude, calm down. That's kind of what's going on in my head. Now I think we stopped, yeah. Now I'm going back to that village. I think I should just edit that part out, honestly. I'm just observing it. Look at my bro. Look at my bro. Look at how silly his character is. It's a glitch, though. That's me. I think I'm checking to make sure that, yeah, it's still recording. But yet have I realized that I'm actually not recording the volume. Or anything, perhaps. I'm only recording stuff. Like, oh yeah, this is when I'm like, oh my gosh, look at that. It's a glitched house. Right, so now I'm showing the viewers again what happened. I go there, and now I turn, and now I go into the glitch house, and I'm like, what the heck? And my bro is trying to come to me. Oh my gosh, that's when he made the now he has the diamond sword. So he made it a little while back. If I can enable comments of this, make sure to tell me what minute, like when in the video, like 14.23 or something like that, he made the diamond sword, because he just made something that really is useless. But the thing is that we haven't even gone into the and now I closed the door. Look at that. I closed the door. I go to bed, and that villager's gonna open it. That's how. Oh, not what? Now he's looting the chest that I was going to loot, I believe. I don't know, honestly, if I looted it. But look, he has the diamond sword. And he only has one diamond left. I specifically told him to not use it. It's frustrating. Now I'm making sure it's Oh yeah, we need to go. We went to dinner for this part, so there's going to be a cut in the screen. And my bro is actually going to start playing before I start recording. See how he moved? Yeah, he started playing before we started recording. So, yeah, that's his fault. Okay? You know what? Little bros sometimes, get on your nerves, but you still wish you had them, because there are the things that they do, okay? Like, they do a lot of nice stuff for you, like, help you pay for a toy that you really want, but you do get mad at them, in reality, okay? I should get more to doing a voiceover now, honestly. So, oh yeah, there you have the emotional things. That's me looking all cool, I actually really like my Minecraft skin, but it's not appropriate for this channel. It's just my Minecraft one for Bedrock, okay? It's just for Bedrock. Java, I still have my other one. It's just I designed a totally different one. I think this is when I realized he got the diamond sword, and it's already like a lot of minutes too late. Honestly, now I attempt to kill a creeper. It's attempt. I do not die, and I hate creepers. But now I get free dirt, and I have realized I could just get free dirt back then while my bro is still raiding the village. Oh, he got a fletching table. That is big brain move. Okay, bro, you got a big brain move here. I would have forgotten to take that. And now I'm fighting off a horde of zombies, one in full golden armor. And I realize, and now I'm asking my bro to take out his bed and go to sleep. And now he does. And I just bypassed the creeper. This is kind of insane. And he still haven't. Now I'm like begging him right now. I'm begging him. Oh, is he gonna go in that igloo? He's gonna sleep in that igloo, right? Is he? I don't really know much, because I'm just focusing on my screen when I do this stuff. Okay, good. Now he's going to sleep. Now I'm going to sleep, but I get woke up by... I hate the Winterland skeleton. Like, who who votes that they're so annoying? Like, they give you slowness, and they're just so annoying. I feel like they just deal way more damage or harder to defeat. I don't know. It's just they're so annoying. I still have slowness. I eat to crack carrots. Carrots are good for your eyes, but not least, I still hate them. Like, they're my least favorite thing to eat. Apart from spaghetti. Okay, back to voiceover. Dun dun dun. I don't know why I did that. Honestly, I don't know why I do much. Bro, don't give the villagers a whack. You're gonna die to the iron golem, dude. He's having troubles getting in that door. Well, I think I'm raiding another village. Got them the potatoes. Je aussi parler en français. Je allais à a French immersion school. Français à maison. I think that's what you call it in French. But yeah, I'm gonna try to talk a little bit of French in here, just so French viewers, that kind of stuff. So, but I'm always gonna make sure I say it in English. Yeah, that's how it's going. So yeah. Now, my bro is digging with a hoe. Like I said, again, I don't know my bro's thoughts, so you gotta give me credit for that. Like, I don't know his thought process. Next video, I'll make sure you have his voice in. No matter on if I do a voiceover or not, his voice is going to be in it. No matter what, okay? But my bro right now is doing stuff that I'm not sure what he's doing, though. Because I don't know. Oh, yeah, now this is where I'm with a bucket trying to get water, where I should have gone in the complete opposite direction. Oh my gosh. Now I go that way, but water's that way. What the heck am I doing? I don't understand what I'm doing. Honestly. What am I doing here? Well, my bro's still in the snowy tundra. And I'm going to get annoyed at him pretty soon. Right, so right now I'm saying you don't attack a mother with a baby, okay? You just don't do that in Minecraft. So, Now I'm taking the thing off of the beehive, and I'm going to destroy the bee's habitat, which I wish I didn't do. But now, look what I do. Look what I do. I go up here. Yeah, I'm going up here. My bro found a snowball somehow. Oh, from breaking ice. I don't know how he did that, is what he just said. What I said a little bit while ago. He's getting that snowball. Now, I myself, and for you new viewers out there, I'm a boy, not a girl, okay? Okay? It's just because of the long hair. Okay? Okay? And plus, it shouldn't matter if my gender, it's for the videos, like if you watch them or not. It shouldn't matter the gender. It's just, I say gender. See, now I see a dog, and I got bones. See, I got bones in my inventory. Now I grab the bones, I put them down there. Now this is where I get frustrated. I was trying to tame the dog. My bro teleported me, and I'm like, bro, why did you do that? I was about to tame a dog. Look at his pickaxe just coming out of this chest. It's like, I've been impaled. It's pretty weird, but, Now, no, my bro wants him to take me to take him to the beehive. Okay? And if he wanted me to do that, why doesn't he just teleport to me? Wonder why he didn't just do that. Well, honestly, I don't know his thoughts, so I have no clue. And I'm just watching this and saying my thoughts, or the thoughts that I don't know, and just trying to explain what Kane's doing. Okay, I'm gonna need to edit this so bad. But yeah, you know, kind of like that, honestly. But yeah, my bro's doing good. Yeah, now he's showing this, and I find another beehive. I find another beehive. I found one, and I'm showing. Where am I going? What am I doing? Am I finding the beehive? Yeah, I'm finding the beehive. There we go. I found another beehive. That's lucky. Okay, beehives. Now my bro is not being that smart, and I think he dies to a bee. Honestly. And he killed the bee. Yay. But okay, maybe I was wrong. He didn't die. Oh, but now he has a extreme glitch. Where now he's dying from poison, and there's a body glitch, which turns that, and now he's floating legs, which is weird. But at least it's better now. Now this is a true beehive, and I'm gonna look for that dog. And we're gonna end the video soon. It's almost over, right? Yeah, it's almost over. Like, there's 10 more minutes into the video by now. 10 more minutes of the video. Now I'm looking for that dog. My bro is doing another command, which I think will literally annoy me. Yep, it did. Because I got teleported to him. Now, I don't know what I'm doing here at all. Like, honestly, I don't know none of it. I don't know my thought process here, so you just gotta see and think. Honestly. Now, what is my bro doing? Oh, now he has the glitch again where the sword comes out of this chest. It's like, I've been impaled with the sword on the other end, which makes no sense. Yeah, it does, bro. It does. It does make no sense. But that's not his faults back then. I'm just making silly stuff up to entertain my viewers. So let's see. I'm still looking for that dog. My bro is just climbing a mountain. You know, that is kind of weird that they put an ad for YouTube on YouTube. Right? It's like, you already know YouTube. Like, what point does an ad do? Encourages you to be a YouTuber, I guess? I don't know. But I too took a YouTuber camp, an online camp, where we played on the server, and it was super fun. But now I can't. And now I need to now I can't go on that server anymore. And the camp was only like a couple weeks long, and I like playing on that server with another person, which is Crowbot, that I mentioned in my other video. Also Crowbot, linked down in the description. He has more subs than me, but I actually think he's been doing it before the camp, honestly, because his videos date back quite a while. Honestly, I find. Oh, this is when my bro kind of cheats. This can never be an official speedrun, because this is when my bro cheats, but none of it is helpful. Look, he only changes himself. Well, he changed me into creative. Now he changes himself into creative, and now he does a test that I've done in Java, but it doesn't work in Bedrock. So it's when I'm telling him to get out of the creative, because I don't like it. I don't like creative. I'm not a creative fan. But I do it when I need to build tough builds. Right? So now my bro is getting a composter. So he's getting a composter. A composter. composter. I don't even know why I did that. But yeah, he got a composter and he got a trapdoor. Now look, you place the composter down like so. And now you get in the you place the trapdoor. Well, he forgot the trapdoor. He forgot the trapdoor. You forgot the trapdoor, dude. You forgot the trapdoor. Why did he forget the trapdoor? He put the trapdoor on top of the composter. Then you get in the composter and shut the trapdoor on you, and then you're invincible to mobs. It's pretty cool. Now my bro's going caving. I'm trying to turn him back into survival. And I'm asking him to turn him back into survival. This is my thought process. I don't know his because I'm not him, and we have different brains and we have different stuff, and we're different. We're different. We're different. Honestly, okay? We just all different. We're all different. All unique, all special, and all different. But the video is is almost over when it comes to here. I think so, at least. My bro's having another body glitch again. See? Body glitch. I got a body glitch. No, I think I'm gonna teleport. Well, I asked him to teleport. He said no, I cannot teleport to him, and I don't know why. I just collect up coal. The cave is kind of useless. But yeah. So now, I'm mining it up, and I think soon he finally says that I can teleport to him. I do not know where, when. I mean when, not where. When he teleports, but honestly, it doesn't bother me. But he says I can teleport to him. I don't know when, honestly. But eventually I'll teleport to him. I probably teleport to him pretty soon now. But we end the video off sort of close to here. I'm underwater. This is not good. Right? Because I'm trying to prevent enemies swim across. It's pretty chaotic. Honestly, I don't have much thoughts. Honestly, I don't really have much thoughts about this. The video is almost over. Just a couple more minutes left of the video until I'm done the voiceover. Then I need to edit it, and then I need to edit the voiceover, and then yeah, I'm done. But yeah. And I don't know how you can edit a voiceover. Okay? I don't know how you can edit one, but I'll try to make sure. I don't even know if you can. Why haven't I grabbed a bucket of water now? Honestly, now this is when he says I'm going to teleport. I can teleport. When I'm getting, kind of ready for the night on my pillar and all of that stuff, I assume. Now look, I think I'm going to place down the bed. Do I place down the bed? I placed down the bed, right? I just realized that if I get rid of parts of the voiceover, then the voiceover won't work. So I'm going to need to blur it out to make sure you can't hear the parts I don't want you to hear. Honestly, I don't know. I'll just wait until I get up to that point. Yeah, I'm just getting coal. Yeah, I teleported to him. See? Because now we're both in the same mine. It's pretty useless anyway. All I got was coal and XP. XP from the coal. Why am I looking down? Now I look at him. My bro. My bro still has a glitch on him. And honestly, it doesn't bother me. And it doesn't affect your gaming experience. So it doesn't really bother anyone. Okay? You know what would be the greatest glitch of all time? Is that if you have your character on and it doesn't show a character at all, so you're just invisible, that would be the greatest glitch of all time. Because then you can play PvP, like Bed Wars or something, and you can be a total beast with a glitch. Haha. But that never happened to me. I think they already made it that impossible. Maybe your skin will just go black, not invis. Honestly. I'm asking him to go to bed, and now I think it's time. Now I'm sleeping. I'm asking my bro to get his bed out. Here. Yeah, we're only a minute away from victory. I was kind of just saying like and subscribe and that kind of stuff. But I actually built a special part at the end. And I want you to hear that if I have no volume on this, I'm going to need to say myself. Okay, here's intercom. And make sure to hit that like button.
And subscribe.
And make sure to... There we go. I needed to stop it because that's in the main video. Right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.